In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your Canva account. You can permanently delete your Canva account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Canva. On the home page, tap on these three lines right here. Then head into your settings. On the settings page, head on to the option of login and security. You will have to scroll down onto the last option of delete account. Tap onto delete. You will have to enter your Canva account password to proceed. If you put into your password and tap on delete, your account will take up to 14 days before the deletion is completely done. Before the 14 days period, you can undo the entire process. That's how easy it is to delete your Canva account on mobile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.